Thank you so much for joining. Today we are solving a system of linear equation using matrix form. So we have this system of linear equations which we are supposed to take to matrix form thereafter we solve. And before that, we should take note that the solution to this problem in matrix form is given by x equal to the inverse of matrix A multiplied by B, where this B is a vector which stands for the solutions, the answers here, 4 and 2. Then this, the inverse of matrix A is the matrix that will come up with from this system of linear equations. So coming up with the matrix, what we call a coefficient matrix, we have a 2, a 1, and negative 1. So this is a matrix coming from here. We have a 2 and a 1 here, and negative 1. Then we also write the variables, which is x and y. Then here we have 4 and 2. Okay, so please take note that whenever we have a system of linear equation, we can write it in the form ax is equal to b. Okay, whilst the solution to this will give us the inverse of that matrix A multiplied by b. Okay, so from here, what we'll do is we need to find the inverse of this matrix. So we can name this matrix as matrix A. Okay, so 2, 1, 1, negative 1. So to find the inverse of this, please, we should know that when we multiply negative 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1, when we get 0, it means the matrix is not invertible. But when we get, for instance, here we are getting negative 3, we multiply this times that and 1 by that. So since we are getting negative 3, it means the matrix is invertible. Therefore, the inverse of this matrix will be 1 over negative 3 multiplied by, we swap, the negative 1 goes there, 2 comes here. So we have negative 1, we have 2 here, then here we introduce the negatives. And when we multiply that, we are getting 1 over 3, 1 over 3. We also have 1 over 3 and negative 2 over 3. So this is the inverse of this matrix. So to find now the solution, we get this x is equal to the inverse of matrix A. So we get x equal to the inverse of matrix A, which is 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, negative 2 over 3. So we'll multiply this by the vector 4, 2 here. So vector B, 4 and 2. So when we multiply this, this will give us 6 over 3. We also have 0 over 3. So what is happening here, we are multiplying 1/3 multiplied by 4 plus 1/3 multiplied by 2. Again, we have 1/3 by 4, negative 2 over 3 by 2. We get this, and this will result into 2 and a 0 here. So these are the solutions where we can summarize by saying, therefore, the 2 here, this 2, that is our value of x, and 0 here, that is our value of y. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Thank you so much for your time.